Hey guys, welcome to Digital Text Studio. In this tutorial, I'm going to share how to open the clipboard history on Windows. Clipboard history is basically the text that you have copied so far, and it will save in the history of the clipboards. So in order to enable that, what you can do is you can press Windows V, which will open this clipboard panel, and here you need to turn on the history. So once you turn on the history, it will display all the text that you copied so far. So for example, let me open the notepad. I will just erase this and I will just Control A and Control C. So I have copied this text, Digital Text Studio. I will close the notepad and again press Windows V, and you can see the clipboard history. So this way you can see all the text that you have copied. Or if you want to clear the clipboard, what you can do is you can click on this Clear All button, which will erase all the clipboards. Or if you want to erase the particular clipboard, what you can do is you can click on this three-dot menu, and then you can just go delete it, and it will erase that particular clipboard. So this way you can open and manage the clipboards and also see all the clipboard history. I hope you find this video helpful. Please hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.